The man convicted of causing a fatal school bus crash in 2023 has filed an appeal. Armanio Joseph's lawyer appeared in the Ohio 2nd District Court of Appeals today to argue why Clark County rulings should be overturned.
The appeals court also heard from the state, and 2 News reporter Aaliyah Seabrooks heard the arguments from both sides. Aaliyah, walk us through what happened today.
Brooke and Jack, the attorney for Armanio Joseph says that the state should have allowed for the trial to be moved to a separate venue and out of Clark County due to extensive media coverage. However, the prosecution says that the defense did not provide compelling evidence to show that this was happening. During the trial, the defense for Joseph filed a motion to have the venue changed, and this was discussed heavily in the arguments on Tuesday. The defense cites bias against Haitians and immigrant communities as a reason for the necessary change. However, this motion was denied at the time by the judge. The state's attorney showed that documents that were submitted to the court to document the timeline of news coverage on the case were spread over months and not very consecutive. In court, the defense reiterated their position.
There has to be a clear and manifest showing of actual bias in the jury pool in order for a change of venue to take place. We don't have that here.
The defense also discussed a juror who said that she was not sure if she could be impartial when asked during the jury selection process. The defense never called for this juror to be removed, and the prosecution says that they did not strike the juror because this comment was not grounds for removal. Appellate judges further questioned the defense on the impact that they believe that this decision had on the trial.
Is there anything that would indicate that, excluding juror number 10 for a moment, that the other jurors could not be fair and impartial based upon that which occurred during jury selection?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Now the courts will decide if a mistake was made and if the case should be retried. Experts say that this could be a challenge for Joseph's lawyer. Dr. Mark Clausen, professor of history, law, and honors at Cedarville University, says that the judge's decision could depend if the defense proved that the trial was not fair.
It's hard to prove that you got an unfair trial. In his case, if he can show that this juror was a bad juror, I think he's got a good case.
There is no definite time when judges will render a decision in this matter. We will continue to follow this case and update you as we learn more. Live in Dayton, Aaliyah Seabrooks, 2 News.